Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! I can't wait to share with you guys some amazing yard sale apps that I use and why I love them. The first yard sale app that I really enjoy is LETGO. It is a wonderful app where you can sell gently used items and meet up with potential buyers in a location that's agreed upon, and also do all the communicating through the app itself, which makes it extremely wonderful, extremely easy, and it's even easier to sell the items. You just simply install the app, take a picture, and with the update to the app there, it'll even estimate approximately how long your item will take to sell and what price to sell it for. Taking the thinking out of thinking. I love it. I like the way they're thinking. But I love this app there because it's been so simple to use, and it's wonderful there when you're wanting to have a yard sale and not sit outside in the darn heat. Completely makes it even better, so then you can do things right in the comfort of air conditioning. Couldn't be easier. And I love there how you can also see what other people in your area are selling as well there, to make it easier to then figure out what to do there with all the money there that you've made there from selling your things, is buy more things. That's the logical thing to do. And another app that I really enjoy there that's similar to it is OfferUp. And I like this app a lot too there, because both apps there actually use a very unique notifications on them, so then you know what app is notifying you. I like the OfferUp one simply because it sounds like a cash register ding, which is really nice because we all like things there when we can easily identify there what the noise is there that it's being associated to. And this app here is also equally as easy as LETGO to set up, and the reason I'm recommending both apps is because why not put your items for sale there on both apps, so then you can reach a larger amount of people and be able to sell things even twice as quickly, because some people can use one app and not the other, and so then by using both apps you can easily reach many more people, and being able to also enjoy the ability to browse two apps to buy twice as many things when you're done selling your things. But OfferUp is also equally easy as LETGO to set up, which I also really love there. I love there when things are just simple and easy to do. I highly recommend both of these apps. They are both free to download in the App Store and very easy to use, very user friendly, very simple as well, the communication there, because even in LETGO there they even give some pre-typed responses there that you can use there to respond to messages there that you get to make communication even easier, if that even needed to be possible. But I really hope that you guys will check out these apps because they have been amazing for me. I really enjoy them. It's been absolutely wonderful to be able to make spring cleaning / summer cleaning / yard selling even easier with these wonderful yard sale apps. It's the yard sale without the yard sale. Check out both of these apps. They are called LETGO and OfferUp. They are both written as one word. I can't wait to know what you guys think about them. Make sure to comment down below. I'd love to know your thoughts on these amazing apps there that I enjoy. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload new videos. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye subbies.